My Elsa shoes are starting to lose some of their sparkle. This happens from regular wear and tear, from lots of standing up, kneeling down at character events, so let's go ahead and freshen them up. The things we're going to need for this project are a spray adhesive, as well as a sealant, and some loose glitter. I chose one that matched my shoes as closely as I could so that my repairs would be less obvious. We also need to protect our work area, so I have the bottom of a paper bag here to try to keep my loose glitter contained so it doesn't end up all over my house. Then all we need to do is spray on the glue and shake on the glitter. Since spray glue dries pretty quick, I found it best to work in small areas and put the glitter on almost immediately. I'm also tapping off any excess glitter as I go, since I didn't want to add any bulk to these shoes. My goal was just to recover any parts that had lost glitter with new glitter. I did get a bunch of glue and glitter on my hands during this process, so if you don't want to scrub your hands afterwards, I would recommend wearing gloves. Now we're going in with the sealant. This is a very important step. Sealant is what prevents your glitter from shedding everywhere, and it also makes it a little bit more water resistant. The last thing you want is your glitter to all fall off as soon as you step outside in the rain. It also helps make the texture a little bit more smooth because raw glitter can be kind of coarse and rough to the touch. I did 2 thin coats of this stuff because I know these shoes go through a lot and they need it. And here's what the finished product looks like. I forgot to take a video right after I finished, so this is after I wore them again, so you can see some signs of wear again in the glitter on the toes, but they look a lot better than they did before I started. So I think it's a success overall.